So dozens gather at the Capitol today to protest a federal appeals court decision this week. The court says the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA policy, is illegal. That decision is making life uncertain for more than 590,000 people living in the U.S. under DACA status, and for the more than 13,000 of those dreamers living right here in Colorado. Katie Weiss breaks down the legal ramifications of this decision tonight. And Katie, what are the protesters calling for today?
Well, Karen, protesters are calling on Congress tonight to take legislative action, as legal experts tell me that this court decision could put hundreds of thousands of dreamers in jeopardy of being sent back to a homeland that many have never really known.
We're worried and we're scared because we built our lives here.
22-year-old DACA recipient Franco Orellana was one of many dreamers protesting at Colorado's Capitol Thursday.
I actually didn't know I was undocumented until I turned, I think it was 12, and I tried to sign up for a college prep course, and they asked for a social, and I didn't have one.
Like many in Colorado, DACA has given him and his family hope.
I was able to get a job, finish my degree, become the first college graduate in my family.
But his ability to stay now in danger following a federal appeals court decision declaring DACA illegal, a decision some legal experts question.
Presidential administrations going back many decades have had a wide discretion in deciding who to prioritize for immigration law enforcement.
Immigration law professor Cesar Garcia Hernandez says the federal government can still renew existing DACA applications, but remains prohibited from approving DACA status to new applicants.
Next is for this case to go right back to the federal courts. I don't think anyone's expecting that Judge Hanen is going to take a different view.
He says the issue could very well end up in the Supreme Court, but that could take years.
The Biden administration is facing a really steep uphill climb to defend DACA. And so all eyes really should be turning to Congress. They ultimately have all the power.
That's something dreamers like Orellana are hoping for.
We're tired of being pawns. We need a solution, and we need it fast.
Now, congressional action would also be important for these dreamers to have any kind of path towards citizenship, which is something that DACA currently does not provide. In the meantime, the Biden administration has said that it will fight this court decision vigorously. Reporting live at the Capitol tonight, I'm Katie Weiss, covering Colorado First.
All right, Katie, thank you.